MOIN. Okay, so you may have heard the terms Platt, Plattdeutsch, and or Low German buzzing around, and you're not sure what it's all about and what's what. If so, you may have come to the right address. Platt? So what exactly is it? The term Platt, as used in Germany with regard to language, is similar to its counterpart Platt in Dutch-speaking regions, an ambiguous and often confusing term. Many people think it refers to various non-standard forms of German or Dutch, not only to Low Saxon. By the way, many people still believe that Low Saxon, Low German, is a German dialect group, although its ancestor is Old Saxon and not Old High German, and most German speakers don't even understand it. And yes, Old Saxon is also one of the ancestors of English and Scots. Also, Low Saxon is now finally an official regional language in Germany and the Netherlands. It's important to keep this in mind, although it's a bit besides the point of this particular presentation. And one more thing, today's German state of Saxony has nothing to do with the actual Saxons and their language. Yeah, go figure. Many other people associate the word Platt specifically with Low Saxon, Low German, the original language of northern Germany and the northeastern Netherlands. In fact, Platt is a Low Saxon word with a basic meaning flat. For this reason, people often assume that Platt refers to the predominantly low-lying, flat terrain on which Low Saxon is used. However, research apparently shows that Platt, with regard to language, used to be a Low Saxon way of saying plain or easily understood. This was most likely in contrast to High German, the then foreign standard German language, when it began to replace Low Saxon. After the demise of the once powerful Hanseatic Trading League, whose international language was Saxon, Low Saxon, the region that is now northern Germany came to be Germanized and thus politically, ethnically, and linguistically integrated. In its wake, in order to make it German, in Germany, the Saxon language came to be referred to as a type of German, Low German, and the ancestral Old Saxon language came to be renamed Old Low German, in contrast with Old High German, the ancestor of the actual German language. However, if you hear or read people referring to Low German, Plattdeutsch, without further explanation, you can fairly safely assume that it refers to Low Saxon. By the way, in Low Saxon, the word Platt can still mean understandable or clear in certain contexts. Ik ben platt. Or are you considered flattened when you're amazed? In this sense, it entered the German language by way of Low Saxon influenced Northern German dialects. Der ist platt. The origin of the word is ancient Greek Plattdeutsch and Latin Plattus, meaning flat, even, or extensive. And yes, This is apparently also the origin of the English word flat. Okay, but is there a difference between Plattdeutsch and Niederdeutsch, Nether German, Low German? Well, most people feel that they are two names for the same thing. However, in linguistics, the name Niederdeutsch, Low German, refers to a group of language varieties, namely Low Saxon and Low Franconian varieties, varieties that are spoken in the lowlands or are descended from them. Oh, finally, let me also quickly mention Platt and Plattdeutsch. Those are the equivalents of Platt and Plattdeutsch, Plattdeutsch, in the eastern Low Saxon dialects of many Mennonites. Well, I hope that this presentation has been more clarifying than confusing to you. I invite you to write your questions and comments below. Thank you so much for your attention. Tschüss, bye.
Nicht vergessen, Leben ist Leben und Lehen.